I'm a pediatrician and I have diversified my career through locums, through per diem, expert witness work, consulting, aesthetics, veteran disability exams, and so much more.
I'm going to be talking about how to get beautiful, healthy, radiant skin so that you don't feel like you're on the hot girl hamster wheel.
You know, and as executive coaches, Lauren and I are working with women leaders every single day, and we've noticed a pattern that women are being interrupted and sometimes ending their careers due to unmanaged physical and physiological symptoms.
Based on my professional expertise and my personal experience as a so-called geriatric mother who balanced pregnancy, loss, and motherhood alongside a busy clinical career, I want to review with you the data on fertility, pregnancy, and parenthood among female physicians.
As a smart, overachieving professional woman, you likely find yourself experiencing some of these exact issues. Overthinking, ruminating, even second-guessing your strategy to hit goals, both in your personal and professional life.
We'll be discussing the physiological, physical, and personal struggles that women clinicians face, and techniques and strategies to advocate for yourself and other women in the workplace.
I'll be sharing strategies and insights into managing the unexpected twists and finding purpose in new directions.
We will have stories and data and tools will help you learn how to advocate for your needs, reframe your mindset, and reimagine your purpose.
In my talk, I'll be discussing how to incorporate healthy parental styles and how to be a super mom and a super professional without burning out.
I'll be sharing proven strategies on how to delegate effectively so you can reclaim your time, reduce burnout, all while strengthening your leadership skills.
We know there are unique challenges that women face in leadership. These challenges traverse academic positions as well as corporate positions. And trust me, I've held high-level positions in both entities.
You'll learn a 5-step process for setting healthy boundaries, and you'll develop a script for saying no, so you have the words ready when you want them.
We are going to channel all of the and energy, not the or, where we are going to learn how to customize a meal template for you, your family, and your needs, but also how to start putting ourselves first.